Here are some tips to build trust with a parrot. Create a safe space. Make sure the parrot feels safe in its environment. Avoid sudden movements or loud noises. Spend time nearby. Sit near the parrot's cage and talk to it softly so it gets used to your presence and voice. Offer treats. Food is a great way to build trust. Offer healthy treats like fruits or seeds from your hand. Be patient. Never force interaction. Let the parrot approach you when it feels comfortable. Learn their body language. Parrots communicate through body language. Understand their signals to know when they are relaxed or stressed. If you're referring to consuming a parrot raw, that's highly discouraged for ethical, legal, and health reasons. Parrots are protected in many regions and can carry diseases.